Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Jay, the Motor Marauder, back again with another video. Hopefully you guys have an amazing time, an amazing day. Hey, man, it's been a while since I've done a motor vlog. A lot of stuff has been happening, and mostly I've been really focused on my cut. Alright, so yeah, I've been having issues with the mic. I finally got a new mic adapter that seems to be working. Hopefully this one works. The last two I ordered didn't really work well with my Tascam, and it's been hard to find one individually without having to buy a whole new lavalier mic. For some reason, I don't know why. It could just be that I'm looking in the wrong spots, but I've been having a very hard time trying to find these without having to buy another mic. And I ended up buying another cheap mic just to get this adapter, which is fine. It costs less than just buying the adapter itself. So let's see how this goes. Let's see how this video ends up being. Anyways, I've been focused on my cut for the last little while. It's been about a month since my last upload, and since then, man, I've dropped a ton of weight. I'm near the end of my cut. I have about a week left, and so far I've dropped about 34 pounds. I started off at about 258 pounds and about 26% body fat, and I'm currently sitting at 224 pounds at about 19% body fat in the last 11 and a half weeks, which is honestly amazing. It's a really good cut, but I still have a lot to go. Not where I want to be, but I'm much better than where I started. So it's always good to think of it like that. I can always improve, but I also am like, damn, I came a long way these last 11 to 12 weeks, man. Really excited for what the next, because my cut was supposed to end about like this week, but I'm thinking I'm probably going to push it another 4 weeks, because this last week and a half has been Halloween, Diwali, and all these holidays and stuff where we're eating a lot of food. So I'm thinking I'll probably push it another 4 weeks, because I've probably gained a few pounds honestly in the last two weeks, or I'm not really where I wanted to be ideally for the weight cut at this point. So I'm going to be pushing it another 4 weeks. But yeah, right now it's early in the morning. It's a Wednesday. I'm on vacation right now, so I'm trying to record as many motovlogs as I can if the weather allows it. And right now I'm going to the gas station to restock up on some of the Red Bulls and the energy drinks. I call it a monster run, but I've honestly recently been drinking more Red Bulls, and also need some fuel for this. So we're just gonna go do that and grab that while I give you guys this update. I've been really into those like 250 ml Red Bull is about 80 milligrams of the caffeine. It's like just enough to get you a pump in the morning, but not enough that like afterwards I feel like I have a crash or get too jittery or stuff like that. So it's nice, man. It's really nice. But yeah, it's been a good time so far, but I've really been regretting like not having a mic adapter for this mic, so I can actually record proper motovlogs. I've been just more on the IG reel binge, making IG reels for the last little bit, which I don't know if I can upload them on YouTube. Because I don't know if I can upload them, I haven't been uploading them, and I have like hundreds of them. I honestly probably have hundreds of them like that I haven't uploaded on here. So we're talking content. I got a lot of content for like reels and stuff, but like nothing that I feel would be good for the channel. So I haven't been uploading them here. we go. Now we'll get some fuel, and then we'll get some Red Bull. Should be a good old time. First, don't forget 91. Ain't no regular octane in this baby. Oh, I heard about Easy Pay. A friend of mine uses it. It's apparently really cool. Also, I don't have like this one specific gas station I go to, so. Oh, it didn't take as much gas as I thought it would. Alright. That ain't bad for me. I'll take it. Got the Red Bull. Got the R7. So yeah, honestly, that's pretty much it for this update. I just wanted to show you guys, give you guys an update on where I've been, what I've been doing. I've been mainly on the cut, and it's been feeling well. I've lost a ton of weight. I'm still losing more. Feeling good. And the motovlogs are coming back. I'm sorry, guys. This last month, 2 months has been pretty crazy, personal life-wise. I'll explain more to you guys in the next video. But honestly, I'm glad to be back. We have the mic adapter. I'm probably going to place an order for another 2 of these just to have some backups, because these seem to be breaking a lot as they bend inside my jacket pocket. And I'm trying to find a nice way to like integrate the microphone directly to the Osmo Action 3, so I don't have to deal with an external mic like this. The Tascam's nice, but needing an adapter for the Purple Panda is really bothering me, and it's the only mic I feel like I've been using that I actually enjoy using. So we'll see how it goes. So with that, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. It's your boy Jay, the Motor Marauder, signing out. Hope you have a great day, stay warm, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Alright, see ya.